it's Gina with WTI. When my husband and I started renovating the rec room out in our warehouse, we absolutely hated the way that the ceilings looked underneath the loft. We wanted something that would be bright and lightweight that we could put on the ceilings and even on our walls to help improve and spruce up the look. When we installed these fluted PVC ceiling tiles from LooYee, it improved everything instantly. So just a couple tips. Because we didn't have a drop ceiling frame set up and we were not installing on a flat ceiling surface to begin with, we found that using screws was the best way to apply it. We tried using nail guns, but that tended to split the PVC, but the screws worked really well and we didn't have any issues with splitting after that. Applying with adhesive worked well when we applied it on the wall, but as you can see, we were dealing with an uneven surface, so we did have to reinforce that with screws as well. We were able to cut these in order to fit the kind of wonky situation that we were dealing with, and I found that using a very sharp pair of scissors worked the best for us, and just going really slow, that helped a lot as well. We are so pleased by how improved everything looks, and we think that these are amazing ceiling tiles, and that's our point of view.